Hello and welcome. My name is Moritz Eckert, and in this video we're going to see how to shut down and delete a cluster once you don't need it anymore. So in here you can see I have my environment where I created that cluster. I have my Terraform state files, my master secret, and so forth. And if I use kubectl, I can see that this is a cluster that consists of 3 nodes. I can go into my cloud portal, I have the resource group attached to that cluster, and I can see all the resources that have been created here. And now I want to delete, first of all, delete that cluster and delete the resources attached to that cluster. I can do that using the Constellation CLI, saying Constellation terminate, and this asks me once again, do I really want to shut down this cluster? And my answer is yes. And now it will use the Terraform state using Terraform to destroy the resources attached to that cluster. Let's wait for this command to finish. So now that the command has completed, let's see what's left here in our workspace. We see that there's still the config file, there's still the master secret. So should we want to recover that cluster, in the sense that we want to use, for example, persistent volumes when we recreate that cluster that have been encrypted by that cluster, we can use that master secret. And we have the IAM Terraform file. So I use the Constellation IAM command to create my IAM resources attached to that cloud environment. So if I go here into my Azure portal, I will see that there is maybe let's go to resource groups and refresh that. I can see that there's still the resource group for my service principal and the resource group for that cluster. And these were created with the IAM command. And I can use the Constellation CLI to also manage them, delete them. So I can say IAM destroy, and this will use this local Terraform state to do so. And once again, we can wait for this command to complete. Now this command has completed as well. We can see there's only the master secret and the configuration left. If I go to my resource groups and I refresh, I can see that the IAM resource group was deleted. All right. That's it. We've seen how I can clean up and destroy my cluster once I no longer need it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.